Okay. Kids are calling. Is your SPSS working?
Yeah, it's moving super slow. I'm still trying to load the file right now. Is yours open?
Barely starting to open now. Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know what's going on with this thing.
I don't know.
Compute the residuals for the math self-efficacy data using software. Use the confidence data as the explanatory variable and the score data as the response variable. Okay. Use the confidence data as the explanatory variable. Confidence data is independent. And the score as the response variable. How's yours coming over there?
It's freezing up on me, so I might not be much use right now.
Okay.
I don't know what's going on.
I have to look up how to do the residuals graph, and then we can just go by what I find, I guess.
Okay.
Come on, computer.
All right, now I'm getting in. What's the file again? Mathematics?
Math self-efficacy.
Okay. Let's see if this will work. Okay. And we're doing a residual plot, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Graph legacy dialogues. Okay. How's it coming for you?
I don't know. I don't know if I'm understanding the graph right. Okay, I guess so. It looks like of the choices that we have for an answer, it's the third one that they
Yeah, I was
form a
gonna say
linear
mine looks
pattern.
linear.
And based on the QQ plot for these residuals, what can you say about the residuals? Did you do a QQ plot? I don't think I did a QQ plot.
Let me see. I'm not sure what I did was a QQ plot.
Let's see for the QQ plot what it says to do.
No, I just did the scatter.
There's a scatter dot. That's what I did. But now it's asking a QQ plot question, so I guess we need to go back and do a QQ plot.
Do you know how to do a QQ plot?
I don't know, I'm
I don't
looking.
remember how to do that.
We'll see it under the plot options when we do linear regression. I guess we can just do did they teach us how to do that in the?
I don't remember doing QQ plots.
Let's see. Once the residuals have been calculated in SPSS, we can assess if they are normally distributed using a QQ plot. We simply make a QQ plot of the residuals. Okay, so we would do
Descriptive and then QQ plots.
Yeah, maybe analyze. I don't know. Let's play with it and see. And then we wanted up the residuals, right? And then okay, see what that gets us. Okay. I guess I don't know if that's what we're supposed to do, but that looks pretty straight to me, except for the ends of it. Let's see what our question is. The residuals look right skewed, fairly normal, or clearly not normal. I think they look fairly normal. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know. I guess if it's wrong, we can go back and ask questions. I don't remember them going over the QQ
Yeah.
plot. Create a scatter plot. Given the scatter plot, residuals plot, and the QQ plot, which of the 5 assumptions about linear regression are satisfied by this data? Okay. There is a linear relationship. We said yes on that one already, right?
Yeah.
The residuals are normally distributed. Yeah. The variance of the error terms is constant for all values of x. So that's the one about the megaphone.
Hmm.
I don't remember. Let me look back at the data.
It says no megaphone shape.
Yeah, I don't remember us
Residual.
doing one that would have had the megaphone shape though. Oh, and the scatter plot. Okay, yeah, I didn't see a megaphone.
I didn't see that one either.
Okay, the x values are measured without error. I don't know. What do you think?
Seems like it, but
The observations are independent. Yeah, it's all from different people, right?
yeah.
What is B1,
So
the
all of them
estimate?
except for the middle one, right?
Which one? The variance of the error term?
Yeah, that's the only one we didn't check.
Yeah, I checked that one because that's the one that says, was there a megaphone shape? And if there was
Oh, okay, that one.
if there's not a megaphone shape, then we checked it.
Oh, okay.
I think.
Fair.
I think. Okay, so what is B1? B1 is slope is the bottom one. Is that the 12.695 under the coefficient?
Let me see.
Slope, or is that the y-intercept?
Let's see. Come on. Yeah, it's freezing up on me again.
Oh, okay. I
Would
see
you
in the
say
textbook. In the textbook, it has the second line is the x, which is the
slope?
slope. So that is our result on that is 12.695.
Okay. What's the confidence interval?
Okay. What is the confidence interval for B1? $10.674 to $14.715. No, we don't have that as an option.
10.71. Yeah, it looks like 14 would be, or the top one would be the closest to that.
That makes me wonder if I did the work wrong. Hmm. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't either. My thing's still freezing up on me. I don't know why it always does this. What, baby? In a minute, okay? Hmm.
So you put confidence rating as your independent, right?
Mm-hmm.
And score as your dependent.
Yeah.
So I wonder why.
Come on, unfreeze, please.
Wonder why I'm not getting the right numbers for the confidence interval. I don't know.
I don't know. Yeah, I wish I
I don't
could
know how else to pull
get
it.
more help, but my computer's being dumb. Or at least SPS is being dumb.
I'm just going to go with the first one. I don't know if it's right or
Okay,
not.
that seems like the closest best bet, so.
Based on the evidence and using level of significance 0.05, what decision would you make regarding the hypothesis test for B1?
Let's see.
So our level of significance is 0.000. So we would reject the null.
Right.
Okay, it has T equals 12.476. Let me see if that matches. No, my T is 12.424. Weird.
It's like just barely off.
Yeah. Okay, so it's the second one. Reject the null because the p-value is less than A. For a hypothesis test for B, if you reject the null, what does it mean? There is I think it's the third one, right? There's sufficient evidence to conclude that the slope of the regression line is not 0.
Yeah.
For the crocodiles data, we haven't even done the crocodiles data in this problem.
Oh, they
Does
just
it
want you to open it up and say which one's the dependent.
Yeah, but it depends on what you put in it, doesn't it?
Yeah, I wish I could remember the video because he did a video about that data. And I'm pretty sure, I don't want to say it because I might be wrong, but I think it was the body line. Which variable is
talks
the
about it in the
dependent?
textbook. Okay, crocodiles. We want to know if there's a linear relationship between X and Y. Dependent variable was body length in that example. In the textbook. So I'm just going to leave it at that.
I think that's what it is as well, just from looking at it.
Since the 99% confidence interval for these data is, what can you say about B1? There's a, it's the second one. 99% chance the confidence interval will contain the true value of B1.
Yeah. That looks good.
All right, let's submit it and see what happens.
All right.
Ugh.
Oh no, we're not. Ooh, which ones did we mess up on?
A lot of it. Well, not a lot of it, but.
Let's see, plot of residual support.
Huh. All right, I'll be doing more studying on this one.
Yeah, seriously.
I'm gonna ask her to give me some tips. I guess I'm not understanding it right. I'll have to read more in depth on it.
I just wish they'd give the answers, since we're
Yeah.
not going to take this again anyways. Because then you
Yep.
can go back and check it yourself instead of having
Yeah.
to ask her.
And she's pretty responsive though, so I'll see what
No,
she tells me.
she is good at responding for sure.
I'll forward it to you if she writes me back.
All right, cool.
All right, I'll see you
All
Thursday.
right, sounds good. See
Okay.
ya.
Bye.
Bye.